We have divided the presentation into three main sections. We will begin by reviewing the factors that make our students who they are, both genetic and environmental. We will then introduce some of the theories that help explain how this development influences learning. And finally, we will share our thoughts on how these ideas can influence the way we run our classrooms. There are countless factors that shape our students and their cognitive development, and they fall into one of two domains, biology and environment. You've probably also heard of these referred to as nature and nurture. Biological factors encompass a person's inherited genetic predisposition, while environmental factors encompass a much wider range of influences. These can include culture, era, socioeconomic status, family, prenatal health, sleep, diet, and exercise. These examples are practically limitless. All of these factors can have differing effects on a person's cognitive development. For example, children raised in poverty are more likely to miss many cognitive developmental milestones and will continue to develop behind their peers partly due to limited access to tools for early literacy. Alternatively, children who come from family and household environments that place a high value in education and encourage rich interactions with family members are more likely to experience more positive cognitive development and have additional materials to stimulate their education. All of these many factors influence our students' cognitive development. But how? To what extent? Well, it's a bit of a balancing act. Some characteristics are determined primarily by biology, some primarily by environment, and some in between. Like all other developing traits, humans inherit a potential intelligence reaction range as determined by their genes, or their biology. The more influence biology has on the trait, the smaller the range. It is the role of the environment to determine where within this biological reaction range the human's intelligence lies. So what does this mean for our students? Well, we can't do a whole lot about our students' biology, but we can influence their environment and help them reach the high end of their biologically determined potential. All right.
I loved the well. That was good.